In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Browse AI to extract multiple data fields step by step. Whether you're new to web scraping or looking to streamline your processes, this will give you the tools you need to get started quickly and efficiently. If you've never heard of Browse AI before, it's a powerful tool designed to make web data extraction incredibly easy. It allows you to extract information from websites automatically and without coding. Today, we're focusing on how to set up Browse AI to extract multiple data fields. Stick with me to learn exactly how to use this software to gather the data you need. Now, before we dive into the process, I want to let you know that you can try Browse AI completely free through the link in the description below. And I've got an exclusive bonus offer for you that gives you more access than the standard trial, so don't miss out on that. When you first log into Browse AI, you're greeted with a clean, easy to navigate interface. The tool is designed to be intuitive, so even if you're new to web scraping, you won't get overwhelmed. Let's start by selecting a website from which you want to extract data. To get started, click on Create a new robot from the dashboard. From there, Browse AI will prompt you to enter the website URL from which you want to scrape data. Once you've done that, Browse AI will load the site and display a visual interface where you can start selecting the data you need. Next, here's the cool part. You can actually highlight the specific elements on the page that you want to scrape. Let's say you're gathering product details. You can highlight the product name, price, description, and even images. Browse AI will automatically recognize those data fields and assign them for extraction. It's as simple as clicking the element you need, and Browse AI takes care of the rest. For extracting multiple data fields, after you've selected the first field, you can move on to the next one. For instance, if you're scraping a list of products, you can select the product name, then the price, and repeat for each data point you need. Browse AI supports this seamless process of multiple extractions from the same page. It's fast, easy, and super efficient. Once you've selected your data points, click Train to teach Browse AI what to extract. This process usually takes just a few seconds, as Browse AI will recognize the pattern of your selections. After training, you can preview your data to ensure it's pulling everything correctly. If needed, you can make adjustments before proceeding to extraction. The next step is to start the extraction. Click Run, and Browse AI will begin scraping the data from the page based on the fields you have selected. It's incredibly fast, and you'll see all of your data organized neatly in a downloadable file. Whether you're extracting contact information, product details, or any other data, Browse AI handles it all. The real benefit of Browse AI is how it allows you to automate this process, saving you countless hours of manual data entry. Plus, the platform supports scheduling, so you can set up your scraping tasks to run automatically at regular intervals. Before we wrap up, I just want to remind you that you can start using Browse AI completely free through the link below, where you'll also get an extended trial that includes bonuses you won't find elsewhere. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to set up Browse AI to extract multiple data fields quickly and easily. Whether you're scraping data for market research, lead generation, or any other reason, Browse AI is an invaluable tool that simplifies the process. Don't forget, click the link below to get started with Browse AI and take advantage of the exclusive offer I've mentioned. Thanks for watching and happy data scraping.